Give this dish some quality time on the stove, and its flavors will mingle and become something magical. You might find yourself unable to stop. But be warned, Perilla seeds are loaded with the good fats. So don't be surprised if your jeans feel a little snug, or you get some tummy troubles if you don't show some restraint. Perilla seeds are nutritional powerhouse, packing a serious dose of omega-3s, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory perks. Consider any potential weight gain a side effect of adding more good stuff to your diet.